Hey guys, Plant-Based Gabriel here, and today I'm super excited to share with you my easy enchilada bake. As football season starts, and as a former football player and someone who loves watching football, I know how tough it can be to eat and share a whole food plant-based meal or items, appetizers, with people that you're watching the game with, and this one is perfect for that. Now all we're going to need for this enchilada bake is 2 cups of perfectly cooked black beans. I did those in my Instant Pot. 2 cups of perfectly cooked brown rice. I also did those in my Instant Pot. We've got half a cup of fat-free refried beans. If you want to know the recipe for that, I will link to that. And then we also have 1 cup of my easy enchilada sauce, and then we have 8 corn tortillas. Now when you're buying corn tortillas, you want to try to get the ones with the least amount of ingredients. These are just water, corn flour, and lime. And then we're also going to need a baking dish. Now I'm going to be using this square glass baking dish. If you have a big crowd or you're going to be cooking for more people, then you can always use a double one of these and just double the recipe. So I'm going to bring you guys in here and we're going to get started. All right guys, one thing I'd forgotten to mention is you're going to want to go ahead and get the oven preheated to 375. Now all we're going to need to do to start this recipe is I'm going to take 4 of my corn tortillas. We're just going to lay them out there on the bottom of my dish. There we go. And then I'm going to take my refried beans, and you can also use my black bean hummus, would also be good in this recipe. But we're just going to layer, and I'm just going to spread this out. Awesome. That looks good. All right. Next, we're going to take our rice. Give that a good stir around there. And we've got our beans. Okay. All right, and now we're going to add in our enchilada sauce. Now I'm just going to try to give it good coverage there. Make sure it goes all the way through, and that's going to boil up and bake as we're going. And then all we're going to do on the top is we're going to take, our corn tortilla, one of them broke, but that's all right. Take our corn tortillas, and we're going to place them on the top. There we go. And now I'm going to put that in the oven at 375 for roughly 25 to 30. All right, the oven's set to 375. I'm going to set that in there. And that should be done in 25 to 30 minutes. All right, my timer is going off. They've been in there for 25 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and see how it looks. Oh, it smells fantastic. And if you can see this, our tortillas on top, we have like tortilla chips. So that looks awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and get the kitchen cleaned up, get a bowl of this made, and I will see you in a second. All right, guys, it smells absolutely fantastic in the kitchen. What I did, I went ahead and tidied the kitchen up, of course, but I also went and put a little salsa on top. We like to add a little bit of extra kick on there. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try. Fantastic, we love this. We'll have this once or twice a week. Honestly, it's just so easy to make. Now, if you're taking this to like a party, a game, going to watch a game or something, you can take this as a dip, right? You can bring some tortilla chips, you can make your own tortilla chips, but this also goes great. It's just a meal like this. We'll put it on our plate, and we'll use those top corn flour tortillas and kind of use it as scoops as well. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. This is one that I know my parents love especially. It's really simple, easy to make. You can go ahead, just throw it in the oven, and it's done in a half an hour, 25 minutes. And really anybody's gonna love it. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and hit the like button on Facebook at The Plant-Based Gabriel, or on YouTube, hit the subscribe button, Plant-Based Gabriel. I am Plant-Based Gabriel with my easy enchilada bake. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and I'm hoping I will see you very soon.